cylinder, and this is the introduction to how the volume of a cylinder works. So let's start by drawing out a cylinder. If you remember how to do this, and hopefully I can draw this better than in the last example. Ugh, still not great. You may have a cylinder that looks like this. So remember, you want to draw those circles first. Well, there's ellipses first, circle from the side, and then connect up the extremes. So we've got a cylinder. Let's label what we normally put in. We put in the origin, and we call that the radius, and this might be therefore the diameter. Okay, and then also we care about the height. Now what's nice about volume, it's a bit more straightforward than doing the surface area of a cylinder, which is hopefully good to know. So in this video, we're going to be looking at how to find the volume of a cylinder. So to do this, we're going to just use our typical formula. You've already seen it before, but firstly, I want you to think about what a cylinder is. So what is a cylinder? What kind of shape is it? What kind of solid is it? Well, could it be a prism? Do you see it now? Well, yes, the surface area of this base, this cross-sectional area, is maintained throughout the whole shape. So therefore, a cylinder is equal to a circular prism. Now we remember that there's a rule that we use for prisms. Volume is equal to area of the base times by the length, the perpendicular length or the perpendicular height. So it stands to reason that we can also use this rule here. So this is our prism volume rule. So what's the area of the base in this example? Well, the base is a circle, so it's pi r squared. Okay, and what's the length? How long does it extend on for? Well, we can see here that the length that's perpendicular is here, right? Because the perpendicular length always works at right angles to the actual cross-sectional area. So it extends on for h. Therefore, we can get our rule. The volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r squared times h, pi r squared h. And this here is the volume of a cylinder rule. So please make sure that you put that in your notes. Then in the next video, we'll be using this formula to help calculate some things.